everyone, I'll introduce you to our new project for the beginning of this year. Firstly, a bit about the car. It is a 1998 Volkswagen Golf GTi. It's a 2-litre 8-valve version. They are known for being slow. Now I bought this as a daily runner and also to use as a track car, do a few track days with it. We've done one, and the reason for this is it is so slow. It also leaks oil. The gearbox is about to explode to the point where I very rarely drive it. I've only brought it home this weekend just so that I can record this video. So the plan for this, I've bought a Mk4 Golf GTi, which is the 1.8 turbo. A very good friend of mine has given me a remapped ECU, which apparently brings it up to about 200 horsepower, which is almost double what this had from the factory. It's probably more than double that it's got now. The other thing we're going to do is put a set of coilovers on it. We're going to put some poly bushes in all the suspension, probably a few exhaust tweaks as well, and then we're going to take it to a track day. We're going to get some sticky track tyres, compare times, and then if we get a chance as well on the track day, we'll also strip it out and see how much more time we can gain from doing that. So let me show you around the car. So the interior is completely bog standard for a Mk3 Golf. If I grab my key, oh, you don't need the key to see the mileage. Just need to get out of the sun. That is 121,000 miles, just over. One of my favourite parts of the car is that is all neutral. There's so much slack in the gear lever, which I was going to deal with, but obviously as we're going to probably be changing the gear linkage when we put the new gearbox in, that'll all go with it. And now I'll show you under the bonnet. So this is under the bonnet. As you can see, there is loads and loads of space under here. So yeah, we should be able to, eventually the plan is to put a much bigger turbo in it when we put the Mk4 Golf in, Mk4 engine in, and see how much power we can get out of it. 250, 300 horsepower would be nice. Certainly make it into a bit of a track weapon. Other than that, under here it's all completely original and very, very dirty. So make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification, and you'll keep up to date with this Project Golf.